What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Koro Sensei from Assassination Classroom. Koro Sensei from Assassination Classroom, that's a tongue twister. So I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. Pencil and eraser is a lot easier to do because you can erase your mistakes. So pencil, always pencil. Right, so basically Koro Sensei, pretty simple, it's just a smiley face. So I guess we'll do the teeth first. So I know you could start with a circle if you wanted, but he's got like a hat on and stuff, so it's not like a perfect circle. So I'll just start with his teeth, and then we'll do the big circle for his head. So, curving, big smile. Curves at the end a little bit, curves in like that, and then we do teeth. So then lines for teeth. So, and he's got like his beady sort of eyes. Tiny sort of circular eyes just there, right? So that's big. You could finish it there. Everyone would know who that is. So very distinctive character. So now, so you could do a big circle now. If you had like a plate or something you wanted to draw around, something circular, if you had a big compass, that would help you. But if not, let's just go for it. Be brave. Like so. So we just keep going. And over around here there's like a hat, so we won't go like the hat's somewhere in here. So where would it be? Is it like above his eye? Yeah, it's probably like here somewhere. So we'll go back the other way. So sometimes it helps, especially if you're doing it with ink, to sort of thicken up these lines. When you rough out the basic shape and make your line a bit smoother, that's all. But it is tricky when you're doing circles to get everything sort of correct. So that hat, right, is like here. So it starts like there, I would say. And then, so it comes down. And it's like in the middle of his head. So like that's the middle. So then it changes direction in the middle of his head and goes up that way. Right, like that. So it has like a line up the center. And that's like the other side, just here. Approximately like so. And then so we'll go at the top of it, another sort of diamond sort of shape here. Do that up. He's got a tassel sticking off this side. That's why I didn't bring up this side of his circle so much. So like the tassel comes down just here. It's got like a circle bump, 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 just there, and then kind of comes down and sticks off here. It's got some lines in the end there. And then this line will go back up. And then this will go into there. And then it's got like sort of a box on the top. Something like that anyway. Right, and then maybe we can see some of his head coming down in here. Okay, not bad. So then we got a V for his shirt, like that. And then the shirt comes out, the collar, both sides, out, down, around, like so. And then we have his tie, comes down here, in the center, and then this hangs down longer. Like that. And then we'll bring it in towards the middle. Like so. And then he's got a moon, crescent moon. Draw like a letter C first, like a backwards C, and then this comes out around up into there. So then he has a shawl, kind of like a Harry Potter sort of style shoulder going on. So like up here in line with his mouth, so like it comes down like so, and then this shawl comes around, bumps around there. And then we have another line, comes down like so. And the inside, and always remember, if I'm going too fast, just hit pause. Or you can even slow it down in settings. So then, shoulder on the other side, same shape. So it goes out, down, this line. And then another one goes all the way into the tie, just there, and then the other side down to here. And there might be like another bumping texture line just there. And then the inside of his jacket or uniform just there. And arms flick out like so. Another arm. Flicks out real wide here. And down. And then this side comes down as well. And then, so more sort of lines inside here. So the inside of his body, just there. And say here, armpit sort of line area, and then the inside of his cloak coming down the middle there. It looks like there's like an edge line to it here. Put a line in there, like so. And he's got purple lines just coming on his sleeve. 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. The page keeps moving. And then similar on this side. 3. And maybe you can see some of his sort of tentacle-like arms sticking out. Just here somewhere and here somewhere. But I think that's everything. How to draw Koro Sensei from Assassination Classroom. Assassination Classroom, that's hard to say. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.